Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to test your car battery with simple tester. Left side stands for battery without running the car, and right side is when alternator is active. All you need to do will connect the battery, positive to positive and negative to negative. As you can see, it's showing medium, which is fine for 6-year-old battery. It's showing right now 12.4 volt. So within under 12 volt it's considered to replace it, and usually it needs to be around 12.6. So I'm gonna start the car and see if it's overcharging good or reverse charging. As you can see, it's charging around 14.32. Right now I'm running the heat zone, lights are on, and if you have under 13 volt, that means alternator is really bad. So that was everything. Thanks for watching.